How to use GoToMeeting on Android. I will show you how to install the app, how to join a meeting, how to sign up and sign in for an account, how to create a meeting, how to schedule a meeting, and how to share the screen on GoToMeeting for Android. Let's get started. Let's see how to install GoToMeeting on Android. On this app you can join a session with easy, no sign up necessary. Also, host a meeting for free and do so without the hassle of inputting a credit card. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play. So, open Google Play. On the search above, write GoToMeeting. Now, tap on search. After you have found the app, tap on install and wait. You have now installed the GoToMeeting app on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on open. Here you will be able to sign in or join a meeting. How to join a meeting on GoToMeeting for Android? You will need to have the ID of the session. Find this info from the person who creates the meeting. Also, please note, it is not required for you to create an account to join a meeting. Now, write here the ID of the meeting. Tap on Join. Here, tap Allow GoToMeeting to record audio. You will be able to talk at the meeting if you allow this. Write your name. You can also write your email, but I will not do that now. Tap on Save. On the bottom, you will have the possibility to activate the microphone. When the microphone is red, then it means it is off. If you wish to say something, just tap it. Now it is green. It means the person will hear you. Near the microphone, you have the video camera button. Tap on it. Tap Allow. Now, tap on Share if you wish to show the camera. Now, let's tap on the three dots menu from the right. The three dots menu button from the bottom will also have audio option, edit your info, and also the option to send an invitation. On sound options, you will also get a different way to hear the meeting. You will be able to call a local phone number and put an access code and a PIN to join the meeting. On the top, you have the participant menu. Here, you will see a list of the person who joined. Near the participant button, we have the chat button. You will be able to send a message to all from the meeting or just the organizer. Let's send a test to the organizer. When somebody replies, you will see a red notification on the top. You can also share the screen of your phone, but we will talk about this in the future. How to sign up and sign in for an account on GoToMeeting for Android. Please note, you do not need to sign up for an account if you only join the meeting. You can use it as a guest user as well. You can sign up for an account when you wish to host meeting or you use the app quite often. Tap on Sign In button. Here tap on Start My Free Trial. You will be redirected to a web page where you can sign up for the account. Note, you will not need any credit card to sign up for the account. After the 14 days of the trial, you can still use the account on a free plan or just pay for a pro account. At the time of the recording, for 150 person, you would have to pay $14 and $19 for 250 participants. Tap Start for free. Write your first name and last name. Write your email. We will skip the phone and job title, but you can add it. Now write a password. Select the company size and tap Sign Up button. Tap here Agree and continue. The account is created, but we need to log in also in the app. You can also use the Chrome version of the site to create meeting. Let's get back to the app. Here tap Sign In. Write the email you sign up. write the password and tap Sign in. Now you are connected on the app with your account. Just a short presentation of the option we have here. On the top, the profile button will allow you to create your personal room. Also, you will be able to edit your name and email here. On the bottom bar, you have settings, calendar and meetings. In the settings, you will find some option for audio and how to start the session. Also, you can set up the notification for meetings. On the calendar, you will see your next meeting, and on the meetings button, you will be able to join or create meetings. You can also connect the Google Calendar to keep track of your meetings and be notified when you have a new one. Let's create a meeting on GoToMeeting for Android. To create a meeting on GoToMeeting, just tap on this option, Meet Now. Now, tap on Start. On my phone, I had a strange error. The app said joining, but did not do anything. So I closed the app and open it again. Now, on the Meet part, we have an ID. Tap on that, and now the join works. When you enter into a meeting you created, you get the option to invite people. You can select what method you prefer to invite people to your meeting. Let me show you an example of sending an invite to WhatsApp. Now, select the person or group where you wish to send the link for join. Friends have been invited. Now, let's get back to the app. You will have the option Audio on/off, Video on/off, and Screen sharing. On the top, you will have the option to send an invite. Also, to copy the meeting info so you can send it to who you want. You have also on the top the participant menu. Here you will see a list of persons who joined. The three dots menu button from the bottom will also have audio option, edit your info, and also the option to send an invitation. Let's see how it looks when you get a new user at the meeting. You do not get any notice, but you see that the number of persons who joined the meeting has increased. From 2, we are now 3. Tap on the participant button. Here, on the new person, you can tap on the three dots menu. This will show you a list. To make that person organizer, presenter, and also to kick out that user. After the meeting is finished, you can end it. Tap on the End Call button to finish the session. Here you will have two options. Promote attendee. This will allow the meeting to continue without you. And simply end meeting for all. Schedule a meeting on GoToMeeting for Android. To create a schedule meeting on GoToMeetings on Android, just tap on this option, Calendar button. Here, write a name for your meeting. On the next option, you can select a one-time meeting or recurring meeting. Let's choose a one-time meeting now. You can also specify the countries where the participants are located. Also, if you wish to add this meeting to the calendar, leave this option checked. Now, tap on the Done button from the top. The app will add the meeting to your calendar. Let's get back to the app. You see, you have an upcoming meeting that we created. Tap on the meeting to start it. Meeting has started. If you wish to see the option from the meeting, check the description of the video. How to share the screen on GoToMeeting for Android. Let's see how to do this. Tap on the button from the bottom that has a screen on it. On this notice, tap Start Now. If you do this for the first time, you will get into this option, Display over other apps. Switch on this option so you can share the screen. Now, go back to the app. Let's see how the screen share works on other people's apps. I have connected another Android device to this meeting as well. You see here, screen is sharing. What I have noticed is that on another Android device, the sharing works really slow. Maybe it is something from myself, but I was not satisfied with the system for the screen sharing. If you wish to stop the screen sharing, just tap on this button. After we have tapped this, then the screen sharing will be turned off and the person will not see your screen anymore. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.